What up, YouTube? It's your boy again, Never Summer 417. I got another trick for you for Zippos. This one's a little difficult. I don't know if I can really do it here, mainly because of my nightstand is a little sticky or whatever. But I mean, I'll show you what it's supposed to do, and then I'll try and reenact that. So here we go. First, you're gonna place it upside down like that, okay? And then you're gonna smack it like that. And what that is supposed to do, it's supposed to light it like that, okay? But really, what it's supposed to do is you can do that. You can do that on a bar table, bar, whatever. And when you hit it, it's supposed to light. So it'll light, and it'll pop up, and then your other hand is supposed to catch it. Okay. That's how that one's supposed to work. It's pretty difficult to do, but other than that, it works. Alright guys. Spider-Man! Deuces.